Okay, folks. So on a previous video, myself and Alex, we identified a product. It's a ring for a pond. It helps just create bubbles in a pond. Okay. I think there's a potential market here. I think it's something that we could actually offer to consumers on Amazon and make a profit on. And I want to reach out to suppliers in Alibaba or see if I can find suppliers for this product and if the pricing works. So why not record that process and share it with you guys? That's what this is all about. So let's jump in here. And first of all, I'm going to show you the product. Just to remind you, this is the product that we found on that research session. It's an interesting product, an aerator ring. I've never heard of them before. This is the first time I've heard of them, but let's see, can we get a supplier for it? Basically, the reason I feel we can compete is that the images, first of all, isn't great. The bullets aren't great. Its own fulfillment, and we could probably do a better job on the title. Now, possibly this item could be patented or trademarked. I don't think it is, but we need to just keep that. We just need to bear that in mind just in case. So we're in Alibaba, and I'm going to type in aerator ring. Let's see what we can find. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Here's something similar. Here's another thing that's similar, not the same, but similar. Aha, here's another one, similar. And bearing in mind, sometimes you can't find the exact product, but if you find a similar product, usually that supplier could help you out. Not always, but sometimes. Here's the product here, actually. Let me just go up here now. I'm going to type in aerator ring pond. Let's see what we find. We've got that one found. Let's see. Looking like they're all for really big ponds. There's motors. Okay, so we got 3. Let's have a look at what we found here. Okay, the Ningbo Pet Product Company. Let's have a look here. This image. So what this doesn't have, what the other one has, is it doesn't have the wee stand. So I'm going to actually ask for that when I reach out. Here's a similar product. I'm just going to get a price on that as well. I'm going to get a price on this. And then I'm going to price on this. It's a different product again than the previous one I just showed you. But yeah, they all do it. So I think what we can do in this case is just actually reach out and have people come back to us with pricing. We do need to bear in mind what is the diameter we want. 9-inch. That's what we're kind of going for, right? With 4 mil airline. All right. So let's reach out. So I'm going to show you a outreach. Amazon outreach provider. So let's duplicate this. Right. So let's see how we're going to talk to the supplier. Right. Contact supplier. Sign in. Okay, so LUO. LUO. I greatly appreciate you taking time to read my email. Your attention is valued. I'm reaching out to inquire about your. Let's change this to what are they called? So they're called a aerator rings. Aerator rings. 9-inch. This is a part of your company. So I'm going to attach an image of this as well. It's part of your primary manufacturer could supply. Do you also include the weights to keep the ring at the bottom of the pond? I intend to use, what's the airline? Does it tell us? No, it doesn't tell us what type of airline. 4 mil, 30 feet of 4 mil airline. That's actually something that's not actually been promoted on the listing either. You wouldn't know that comes with it. 30-meter, 4mm airline. Airline and require inclusion of 35 meters of this. Okay, a little bit of our company, that's fine. 2-3 items. Or this name of the company, would you be a corporation or at the moment cost pricing? You want FOB pricing? Just want to include the pricing here. Well, the model, sorry, that we're looking for. If he has it, or she. Finished consumer box with addition of 35-meter, 4mm airline. Okay. I think that's actually perfect. Absolutely. Just change my email here. Okay, so let's send that message. Contact supplier. I just want to get a picture of it here. Perfect. Screenshot. Okay. Okay, perfect. So send inquiry. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the next supplier, which is a different one here. Now, again, don't mind that's a different product. I think like they'll give us a price for that, and they'll possibly give us a price for our product as well. If it doesn't all match, that's okay. So just make sure to change the name to Joy. Make sure it's a different factory, as I said. So let's attach the image and let's send the message. So it's the same supplier. So you'll find we won't need to reply to send another message there. And that's a different supplier. I always find it's important to contact multiple suppliers because basically we get a better taste of the market and we see what's going on there. And often sometimes some suppliers don't reply or some aren't great. And there's always one that's usually like, yeah, that's a good supplier. Let's delete that. Change the name here. It's Bosch. I think that's the factory's name, but anyway. Okay, so we've actually reached out to 3 suppliers for that product now. So between starting product research, finding that product, along with a lot of other potential products, and reaching out to suppliers, I would say it's taken about 35 minutes. And I think it's a really great opportunity. If you want to see how this opportunity goes, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and you will get the updates when the supplier reaches back out to us.